Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Parul Tyagi. Here I am present your practical number 5 of Computer Network Lab. The aim of your computer practical 5 is write a program for simulation of link state routing algorithm in MATLAB. Software required MATLAB, and this is the theory related to your link state routing. Link state routing is also known as the Dijkstra algorithm. ये हमने theory में भी discuss किया है. These are the steps which are used to calculate the shortest path in the Dijkstra algorithm. So here we are discuss about the MATLAB code of your link state routing algorithm. Now here CLC is used for the clear screen and clear all. Now display distance vector routing protocol. Again, another name of link state routing is distance vector routing protocol. And node, these are the number of nodes which are input here. Now here we initialize with 0 and I is 1. Then हम I every time आपका I जो है वो increment होता रहेगा, ठीक है? So for j is equals to I node, if I is equals to j and matrix ij is equals to 0. So यहाँ पर हमने बेसिकली मैट्रिक्स यूज की है आई और जे के फॉर्म में एंड दिस इज द कमांड वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द मैट्रिक्स. नाउ डिस्प्ले मैट्रिक्स, this the command for to matrix display, and again we are using the another matrix for I and j, that is for x is equals to x plus 1, and view the biograph, show arrows of, show weights on. ये बेसिकली कमांड हम इसलिए यूज करते हैं कि हमें वेट फैक्टर यूज दिखाना होता है अगर ग्राफ में, तो हम ये कमांड यूज करते हैं. नाउ हियर फ्रॉम वी आर यूजिंग node 1 and we initialize with the 0 and then we are incremented in every step. So these are the steps of how to initialize the matrix. Now this is the for loop we are using for to increment every time when the nodes are moving, and we are calculating the shortest path from source to destination. So this is the for loop we are using here. Here we are end the for loop and apply the while loop. And here again we are using the choice of y, and source input is equals to enter the source code and destination input is the enter the destination node. So these are the two nodes जिसके बीच में आपको minimum distance path निकालना है और shortest path निकालना है. Here we are calculating the distance source equals to destination or not, and then we are calculating in terms of row and column. So this is all about your graph, all about your MATLAB code. Now MATLAB code is implemented and the output is input. Suppose here we are enter the number of nodes is 7 in the network, and then this is the network. Here node 1, node 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 nodes which are interconnected to each other, and this is show the weighted graph of weight is taken as a random number between 0 to 9. Here enter the source node 1 and enter the destination is 5. Here we are taking the source node 1 and destination node is 5. So we are calculating the shortest path between node 1, path between source and destination 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 से बीच का जो minimum distance है, that is this one. Okay, that is root 5. So how to calculate its shortest distance from this MATLAB we are giving there. And now this is the conclusion. Link state routing algorithm is dynamic state routing algorithm, and in the algorithm weighted graph is created using number of nodes with random weight on the aces. Then shortest path algorithm computes the shortest path from source vertex to the destination vertex to transfer information. Information is shared with every neighbor, but final path will compute the shortest path algorithm. Now discussion, these are the some questions which are supposed to be asked in the interview in the Viva regarding to this practical. What is dynamic routing algorithm? What is dynamic and static routing? What is routing algorithm with an example? And what is static algorithm with an example? These are the answers आपको पता होने चाहिए जब आप इस practical को perform कर रहे हैं. So this is all about your fifth practical. Now thank you.